In this video, we listed the 5 best USB mouse jiggler on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vaydeer FM701 USB Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer Super Mini Mouse Jiggler is a compact USB device designed to simulate mouse movement, preventing your computer from entering sleep mode. Weighing only 0.1 g and smaller than a coin, it is easily portable and features a simple plug-and-play setup with no driver installation required. The Jiggler offers a memory function that remembers the last trajectory used, ensuring seamless operation upon reactivation. With an on/off switch for convenience, it operates undetectably, appearing as a regular mouse to IT departments. Compatible with various systems including Windows and Mac, it provides a reliable solution for keeping your computer active during breaks. The product also includes a 12-month warranty for customer satisfaction. Number 2. Vaydeer FM9011 USB Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer USB Mouse Jiggler is an innovative device designed to keep your computer active by simulating mouse movement, preventing screensavers and sleep mode. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, it includes a digital display for real-time status updates and a protective cover for portability. The Jiggler is equipped with on/off and mode selection buttons for easy operation, allowing users to switch between 3 different movement tracks effortlessly. It is compatible with various operating systems, including iOS, Windows 7, 8, 10, and Linux, and operates without the need for drivers. Its undetectable functionality ensures that it mimics regular mouse activity, making it a secure option for maintaining computer activity. With a memory function that remembers the last used track, the Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for those who need to stay online during breaks. Number 3. Vaydeer FM9031 USB Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer FM9031 Mouse Jiggler is an advanced device designed to keep your computer active by simulating mouse movement, effectively preventing unwanted locking or sleep mode. Constructed with a durable metal shell, it offers enhanced longevity and protection against daily wear. Unlike many basic models, this Jiggler features separate on/off and mode selection buttons for easier operation, eliminating the need for repeated plugging and unplugging. It offers 3 random movement tracks, with an LED screen displaying the current mode, ensuring that users can easily monitor its operation. Recognized as a standard USB optical mouse when connected, it operates undetectably, providing a secure solution for maintaining computer activity without requiring software installation. Compatible with various operating systems, including Mac OS, Windows, Android, and Linux, the Vaydeer FM9031 is a reliable choice for anyone needing to keep their screen active during breaks. Number 4. Seenda USB Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer Wireless Mouse Jiggler is a compact and efficient device designed to keep your computer awake by simulating mouse movement. With a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, it offers the convenience of plug-and-play functionality, requiring no additional software or drivers for installation. The Jiggler features 3 different tracks and speeds, allowing users to customize cursor movement according to their preferences. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while its durable construction guarantees longevity even with everyday handling. Compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, this undetectable mouse mover is an ideal solution for preventing sleep mode on PCs and laptops. The device's smart design and mini size make it portable and user-friendly, making it a practical accessory for anyone needing to maintain active screen status. Number 5. OGORUS MJ01 USB Mouse Jiggler. The OGORUS MJ01 USB Mouse Jiggler is a rechargeable, 2.4 GHz wireless device designed to keep your computer active by simulating subtle mouse movements. Recognized as a 2.4 G mouse, upon connection, it operates undetectably, ensuring that it does not interfere with regular tasks. The device features a simple plug-and-play functionality, requiring no software or drivers for installation, making it easy to use with just one button. It provides slight shaking of the mouse pointer, moving it 1 to 2 pixels left and right, which is discreet enough not to disrupt your workflow. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android, this mouse jiggler is ideal for various scenarios such as online meetings and remote work. Additionally, OGORUS offers a 2-year warranty and customer support, ensuring user satisfaction and peace of mind.